Guys, today you will get amazed after seeing this video. This is for the first time on AB Tech. We are going to introduce the smart theater. Here we call it bye-bye television and bring home the smart theater. You must be wondering, bye-bye television, how is that possible? Yes, you have heard it correct. With this device you can let go your television and you can see giant screen 3D entertainment on your wall itself. Do a quick unboxing. I will not take much time in the unboxing. You see, it comes with a very hard box, very well packed. It's covered under the plastic. This is pure aluminum and the build quality is pretty good. Let me check what is there inside the box. This is the power cable, a standard remote control, well, this is the adapter, power adapter. Yeah, look at the back side of the device. This is the DC in, USB 2, USB 3, the HDMI, and there is a small reset button here. This is the audio out and this is the Type-C port. Let's see the front portion. You see, there is a stand here which protects the lens. You can see this one acts as a stand for your device. Okay, now let me switch it on. I've just switched on. It's just switching on. If you observe very carefully, you can see the screen is getting blurred and again it is getting sharp. Actually, the device is focusing on its own. You see, now the lights are on and you can see the screen. It's pretty big now. You can see here there is YouTube. Let me go close to the screen. This is, you can do YouTube, and there are different apps here. You see, there is the Chrome, Play Store, Miracast, and lots of apps are here. Basically, this is a Android device. You can connect to the wireless Wi-Fi in your room, and then you can use it for seeing the YouTube videos and other different apps. I will show you now how is the autofocus works. You see, it's moved back. You can see it's focusing. Look at the screen. It has focused on its own. Now the screen is pretty big. I have blown up the screen. Now the screen size is 120 inch. You can see how big the screen is. It's a giant size screen now, 120 inch screen, and you can see very well with the lights on. You can see these are lights on, and if I switch off the lights, it becomes even better. This is with the lights off and this is with the lights on. You see? Okay, I'm opening the YouTube. Let me search some 4K videos. And there are also bars which are coming down. That is because of the camera, because I'm doing the shooting on a mobile based camera. Look at the screen size. It's a giant screen of 120 inch. Okay, now I will play a video from the stored videos in the device. Look at the picture clarity. You can see some bars coming down. That is mainly because of the mobile camera. You will not see these bars when you are seeing the video with your eyes. Now let me switch on the lights. This is with the lights on. It's with the lights off. Just have a look how big the screen is. Two gentlemen standing across the screen. Look at the picture details. You can control the device with a mouse. There is a facility to put a Bluetooth mouse. This device supports multi-device connectivity. That means you can use more than one mobile phone at a time to access the device and control the device. This is a useful feature in your boardroom meeting. Like now, observe here carefully. I am controlling it with this mobile phone, and when I use both the mobile phones, there are two cursors on the screen. Now let me show you one photo from the phone's memory, and I will just stream it. Okay, that's a photo. Let me play a video from my phone. And observe here, my phone can be used separately for all the phoning activities. I'll just put the HDMI and show you live TV from the set-top box. You can see it's the World Cup and it's a live TV. You can see this is the live TV, so no need of TV anymore. You can see giant screen TV right from your home at a price of a small TV. Now we will stop it here. So to conclude, I must say basically with this device you can have a next generation entertainment right from the coziness of your bedroom, and also you can carry it for your office demonstration, and it's a product which can perform best for your bedroom and boardroom. And my friends, if you want further details on the product, you can go below in the comment section. You can also put some comments. If you want further reviews of this, you can place a comment for that. We will come up with the further details. And if you want to purchase it, there is a link below. You can click it and go to the purchase link. Thank you. Keep enjoying. Bye-bye.